Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Verified Star. In this video I'll be showing you how you can claim a $50 no deposit bonus and you can start trading with it. All you have to do is just follow me to the end of this video so you don't miss out on the details that I'll be dropping you and how I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can claim this bonus. If you know this is the first time of you coming across this channel, make sure you like, you share, you comment and you subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on updates that will be dropping on Forex no deposit bonus, Profem account, how you can make money online in 2025. And also do well to share this with your friends so they don't miss out on updates like this. It's going to benefit everybody. To get the link to the website, check the description of this video. You meet a link there to take you to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, all you have to do is just click on join, and immediately you click on join, you go ahead and click on the link that will be giving you the $50 no deposit bonus. Don't forget to click on join because that's where I drop updates even before I bring them on YouTube. So now after clicking on it, it will bring you right to this interface right here showing on the screen. As you can see, you'll be clicking on live account. For those of us that are yet to register with MetaTrader, you'll be clicking on live account to go ahead and open an account with them. And for those of us that already have an account with MetaTrader, all you have to do is just click on login right here. All you have to do is just click on login right here and you'll be logging into your existing account. So for those of us that have not registered before, you have to just click on live here. Click on live, and as you can see, you'll be opening an account with them. And as you can see, you'll be opening an account with them. All you have to just put in your information, your first name, your last name, middle name, your country of residence, put in all the details that is required of you here, and you click on continue. After clicking on continue, here you have to put in your personal and address information. Then you go with your gender, your hair, your address, your proving state, your postal card, everything, and you click on continue. Then after that, you put in your wallet currency, which is your USD, your platform MT5, your account currency USD. Then you accept all the terms and conditions here and you click on submit. Then after that, they will ask you to do an authentication process there where you have to download the authenticator app, put in the code that is required of you, and you click on login. Then there you can go ahead to get into log in into your account. All you have to just put in the email you use to register and your password. Then you click on login. Then here, this is the two-factor code that you have to do. You'll be entering in your factor code from your authenticator app. So this is me after putting my code from the authenticator app, and as you can see shown on the screen here, we'll be able to get our $50 no deposit bonus. So now to go ahead to claim this $50 no deposit bonus, all you have to do is just click on competition right here. As you can see shown on the screen, we're in the month of August and this is the competition that is in progress. As you can see, the competition starts August 1, the competition ends August 29, and the registration ends August 15. So you have 9 days to register. So all you want to do is to be fast to make registrations, and so you can join this challenge and you'll be able to claim the bonus. So after that, all you have to do is just click on the agree to the terms and condition right here. Then after agreeing to the terms and condition, then after that you can enter into the competition. Just click on enter competition, and as you can see, this is the details on the $50 no deposit bonus. So after that, all you want to do is choose your platform. So you'll be choosing MT5 right here. Click on submit, and as you can see, your submission was successful. Thank you for entering the competition. So all you have to do next is just click on go to competition, and as you can see, you've already entered the competition. So since we've entered the competition, the next thing we're going to do is to click on the menu button right up here. Then after that, we're going to trading. You click on trading. Then as you can see shown on the screen, I've gotten the $50 no deposit bonus that I can use to start trading with. This is it shown on the screen. This is the account, and as you can see, so for us to get the password, this the details I will be using to trade in an MetaTrader 5. The next thing you'll be doing is to go into your Gmail to check the message they will be sending to you. There they have sent you your password, your login that you're using to trade in your MetaTrader 5. So this is the message I got from them. This is the message I got from the MetaTrader. As you can see showing on the screen, here I have my login, my password. That's the server name MetaTrader and the type of account trading competition. So all you have to do is just head to your MetaTrader 5 now, click on the logins, put in your login details, and you can start trading. So this is me, my MetaTrader 5. I'll go ahead and search for the broker, which is Plex on it. And as you can see, MetaTrader Limited, this is the server. Put in your login and your password. And after putting in your details, all you have to do next is click on login right here. And as you can see showing on the screen, we have our $50 no deposit bonus that we can start trading with. Showing on the screen, you don't have to. So here is the details. But the next thing you need to do is you just go to your, if you go to your trade here, see your balance showing the $50 no deposit bonus, and this is the chart. You can go ahead and start trading. To pick your pairs that you want to touch, you can go to quote here, and we have different pairs here. And if any of the pairs that you want to trade with is not here, click on search right here and find in your pairs, and you can start trading with. All you have to do is just place in your order and start trading. Showing on the screen is the terms and conditions applied. You can go ahead, read it carefully. As you can see showing on the screen, don't forget registration ends on the 15th. Then the maximum size per order is 0.1 lot only on FX, and the maximum number of open orders, open and pending, will be 5. And as you can see showing on the screen, your top 5 performance will be awarded the following accounts. The first prize will get $3,000 created in a live account. Second prize $2,000 in a live account. Third prize will be getting $1,000 live account. Then the fourth prize $500, fifth prize $250. The profit can be withdrawn after you've completed 50 rounds of trade, and the total volume is 7 standard lots. Then you must trade for 10 active days. Do well to go through these terms and conditions so that you don't miss out on the details. And also I'll be dropping it to my Telegram channel if you want to get more details concerning this account. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on updates that I'll be giving you concerning Forex and deposit bonus, free fund account preference, and how you can make money online in 2025.